Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about 3 low competition, high demand KDP keywords for low content books. Now, if you do publish KDP low content books, then this video is for you. I'm going to highlight the top 3 keywords that have a high keywords score, which means a potential for them to be profitable. There is a low demand and there is a high demand and there is a low competition. Right now I'm here at Creative Fabrica, my go-to when it comes to interiors and graphics for Amazon KDP. Let me just go ahead and highlight the first 3 top keywords for Amazon KDP, and then we'll look at the interiors that are available right here at Creative Fabrica. The first keyword for the day is Monroe bagging logbook, and it has a keyword niche score of 58, and total results is fabulous. Under 500, 382 is the total results, and the average price is $8.65. So there are a couple of books that are ranking quite well, and this seems to be more of a logbook and a short organizer and planner for anything to do with hiking, anything to do with outdoors, adventures, these kind of things. So I really highly advise you, before you do a low content book, please do at least some basic research on the topic, and always take a step further than the normal logbooks and organizers that have already been published, and add a page or 2 of simple written content. For example, how to use this logbook, and a picture of an example of a logbook sheet inside being filled, and what should you do, or for example, instructions on how to use, or some potentially great quotes related to that niche that are not trademarked. All these added bonus to your book and help you to rank higher, help you to get more sales and get more lovely reviews to boost up your book ranking. So this is the first keyword, Monroe bagging logbook, and I did go to Creative Fabrica. I searched up the keyword and we got 17 results under the interiors for this book. Now, in order to look for the graphics that you will use throughout the pages inside your interior or on the front cover as well, just write some keywords such as hiking, adventure, mountain, anything to do with these kinds of niches would be best. Now let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is a bakery order a book planner 2022, and it is a lovely keyword, although it is quite restricted to 2022, and you can easily replace that based on removing the 2022 or just using that keyword in your 7th keyword slots, where it won't be familiar to the customer. And then it has a keyword niche score of 51 and a total results of 686 with an average price of $7.23. So you could basically highlight the copy and paste the keyword into Creative Fabrica. For example, you're not ready to use Creative Fabrica, then you could use Etsy. You could even do your own interior in Canva. Super simple as soon as you are familiar with how the interior is made for books under these niches. And we have 39 results in Creative Fabrica for bakery order a book planner. Without the 2022, you'll be good to go. But make sure, in order to rank for this keyword, you need to mention the whole keyword word by word. Let's head over to the last keyword for the day, and it is 30 days challenge tracker, and it has a keyword niche score of 67, and you have the green light right there. Total results under 500, super amazing. 310 is the total results. The average price is quite on the high side, which indicates that most of the books ranking under this keyword can be quite of high content, or they do have content in them, and the average price is $14.17, but it does contain the word tracker, and it does have a timeline to it, which is a 30-day challenge tracker. So go ahead and copy that, and I would include that in my main title, because it is ranking quite well in the keyword score, and the results are are quite low. So you can niche down to 30-day tracker for women, for teens, for girls, for boys, for students. You can even do a 30-day tracker for saving money, for 30-day tracker, for example, growing your blog, growing your YouTube channel, a 30-day tracker for weight loss. And then even with the weight loss, you can even specialize in different types of weight loss plans, such as keto or Atkins or anything like that. So you've got 89 results for this keyword on the interiors, and we've come towards the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you on board. Take care.